What's up, beauty crew, and welcome back to SheDoesBeauty. And if you're new, hello. So for today's video, we are going to be swatching some new acrylic powders that I got. So let's go ahead and get started. I did want to show you these little swatch dots that I got off of Amazon. I thought they were super cute. They come with the little adhesive, so you just stick it on and you peel off the back, and it leaves a little sticky side adhesive basically. And then that's what you put the little clear dot to. I've seen some people make it more stronger and put a dot of glue, but I saw that after I did this, so I think they'll be okay. I'm not too rough with my powders. They're not like banging against each other, so I think the swatch tops will be fine. So totally your preference if you wanted to add that extra secure layer or not. Now, the first color we are swatching is Orchid from the Rouse. I think it's how you say it, Rouse. I don't know, it's R-O-U-S-E is how they put it. And it's going to be the Rouse Princess collection. So these are going to be more of pinkies, a little purple, and some rose gold tints. I should have grabbed a better bead, but I didn't. It's okay. I'm just going to cover up the rest of this dot and hope I don't overlap the colors too much. And we will move on to our next one. Now this next color is Rosa Oro. So basically rose gold. It looks a little pale to be rose gold. Let's go ahead and swatch it. I think it's actually really cute. It does have some shimmer in there. I like how it looks, so I don't know. Okay, Rosa Oro. I approve. This one is Petal, and here we start getting into more of the glitters. That looks really cute. So watch that. Oh wow, that's more of like a coppery. That's more of a Rosa Oro. That's definitely more of a rose gold, I feel like. Really cute. So if you couldn't tell by now, these brands are from Mexico. They are by Wapizima Nails. And I love Mexico brands. I love organic nails. I love fantasy nails. I love Wapizima, and I love like Mia Secret, and I love them. You know, they have a lot of cute colors and stuff. So, ooh, what's this one? Glam. Isn't that word again? Okay, so Glam, Ru, however you want to say it. This one looks more pinky. This one's like a light pink dot kind of glitter. Ooh, I like that. But what I was saying is, yeah, I love Mexico brands, but since I don't really go to Mexico too often or at all, I have been buying a lot of the collections on Etsy. So look down below and I'll link that. You can also try eBay. Amazon had a couple brands, mainly Mia Secret they have. But as far as like fantasy nails, Wapizima nails, and organic nails, definitely check out eBay and Etsy. Always read the reviews before you continue with the purchase, just to make sure that other people didn't get scammed, or that the product actually got sent out, or make sure that the product was packed nicely so none of your powders are all loose all over the place. Ooh, I like that. But yeah, Etsy and eBay can be your best friend, I promise. That's so pretty. Okay, so now we're going on to Sweet Ruh, and this one looks more of a gold tint, so maybe it'll be similar to that first glitter that we saw. Let's see. I feel like this one's going to be more rose gold too. Okay, yeah, pretty similar to the Petal rose gold that we saw earlier, but I'm not complaining because I think it's cute as well. It looks a little more on the pinky side and has a little bit more dot glitters that the camera isn't picking up. Kind of picking up, but not really. Kind of see it. Can you see it? You see those dots? Those ones. Yeah, you see them? Yeah. Right, so this next one is Roses. Ooh, and this one has a whole shebang going on that I just didn't want to focus. Okay, so these are more like shards and tinsel. I don't know. I do like those, but I will say I'm more of a dot glitter girl. What about you? Do you guys like dots, hexagons, chunky glitters, or fine glitters? Do you like string? Oh, girl. There we go. Do you like the tinsel glitters? You know, like, what do you guys like? Because there's just so many kinds of glitters. Oh my goodness. And super cute. Let me go ahead and get them all together so we can see them. I love all of these colors. I do love how they threw that orchid in there just as a nice little purple something. This next one is Sentimientos by Wapizima as well. And these are more of a pastel kind of colors, so I'm kind of excited for these. So let's take the first color, Tenura. And the one thing I don't like about pastel colors is when you first see them out of like the jar, you're just like, oh, what color is this? Thanks. So let's see. Oh, okay. Kind of a lime green, but like a pastel lime green. I like how the consistency is very like smooth. It's pretty buttery. It's not runny, it's not marbling up. I do like that these acrylic colors didn't marble on me. So anything that helps me with my one-time application, not having to go over nails back and forth, okay? So this one is, what was this one called? Felicidad. Okay, so this one is Felicidad, and it kind of looks a little pale. I think it's gonna be a nice blue. Oh, okay. It's like a periwinkle purple-ish, blue, purple. Big truck going by my house, so it's loud and you hear it in the background. Sorry about that. But yeah, that's a really cute color actually. I don't know if it's like, it's kind of like a periwinkle blue because it does have a little tint of purple, but it does like stay predominantly blue, I guess, like a light blue. I don't know. I'm no art major. Okay, and the next color we have is Amore. So let's swatch this one. It looks like it's going to be a pale kind of pink. Let's see. Okay, and yeah, it's a very pale, very light baby pink, like almost a bubblegum pink. I think it's so precious. It's really cute. Alright, so that one is Amore, and we will go ahead and move on to our last color. And the last color is Alegria. This is more of a soft pale yellow. I don't know why I have such an obsession with yellows and daisies. I think it just like really looks cute, and I love it on like every skin tone. I love yellow on every skin tone because there's always a yellow for every skin tone, whether it's like bright or a pale or just something in between. It just always adds that and like people want to look at your nails, you know? But I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I know it was a little bit different. We just kind of chit-chatted and swatched some acrylic powders. I will say that I do love the pastels, but the rose gold ones were my faves. Let me know your fave, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!